Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple mini book with our envelope and cards set. Very easy, almost no measurement, and here it is. This is the book which can be taken out and then put it back inside with flip and pocket, belly band, more flip, pocket. Very, you can use it separately and put it back to make it a book. I hope you like the tutorial. We're going to use the G45 cards and envelope sets to create this mini book. So here is how I'm going to do it. We will create the base with the card and envelope, but we also need some connect parts and pockets from cardstock. I'm using a Kraft paper, but the color isn't exactly matching, but I think it doesn't matter that much because we are going to put design paper on the top, so don't worry too much about that. Or if you are pretty sensitive, you can use the black color, but I can tell you that the black color actually doesn't match 100%, so just I think it's totally okay. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to need a few of this connector between the page, the envelopes. So the size is here, and then I am going to glue between two envelopes. Okay. So the first page, I am going to put a cut over here, so it will be like a page. The cut is obviously smaller than the envelope, so it will be able to put in the envelope. So we can do it right now. Just add glue. Okay, check the line up. Varnish. Okay, the next is to connect two envelopes. So this area we're going to use it, so don't pause it. So we are going to do it this way. Well, you can decide which is pretty flexible, because you can always use it like this at the end. Varnish very carefully. And then another for another envelope. Okay. So it will be opening like this. Right. So one more. Same principle. So this will be the last of the page. So we are going to finish just like the beginning with a card. So again, I am going to use this as the connector, okay, just like we did before. So remember to leave the envelopes on the back. It will be, remember the card on the envelope, the flip, and then we have page here with envelopes, okay? It will be like this. We have 1 envelope, 2 envelopes, 3 envelopes, 4 envelopes, 5 envelopes, and 2 cards. So easy. Now the next step, we are going to add some additional parts for the book. Here is a few parts we are going to create. First is the pocket. The size is here. And then we will cut the corners. And then score it really well. Vanish it really well, okay? Then we will have a belly band. The size is here. Once again, vanish it really well. And another, the size is here. It is 1.5, okay? Only one score line. And then another, this size. Vanish. Okay, so here is the thing. Remember the card is smaller than the envelope. So this size is created for the envelope. So I am not going to put these parts on the cards. Okay, obviously you can, but it will need to be a little bit smaller than this. So in order to not to complicate things, the size here is for the envelopes. So we can have a look, and the envelopes basically will have this opening. You can use it just as it is at a pocket too, because we have more cards in this set, so you will be able to put a card inside later. So it's up to you, but I would like to close it. So this is the one with the 1.5 score. Okay, so when you open it, it will be like this. One more page. Okay, the other parts I am going to use is this belly band. So once we cover it, nobody will notice it's flip. Okay, so you will need to glue this thing first to make it into one sheet. Then we glue the belly band. Okay, so the rest of it is up to you. Whatever you like, okay? You don't need to follow my exact choices. It's your book, so you decide. Okay, so it will be open like this. And then we have pockets. Pocket, one pocket here. So I have another one piece of this. I am going to glue it with a page on the envelope, so that it will look like this. Okay, if you like, you can trim the corner. And then one last pocket here. So here's the book. Okay. Pockets. Belly band. Pockets. And then fits. Pocket. And cut. So I am going to cover this with design paper, and then I'll come back with the cover. Okay? Okay, so we will now make the cover. We need 2 of this. The size is here, and then the spine. So it will be slightly bigger than the book itself. So we are going to use this pattern package with 1 sheet to bind the cover. Then I will need 2 of these to make pockets, and once again to cut the corners. Then burnish it really well. Then we will cover the cover with design paper, and then we will come back. So this is after decoration. This is the cover we create, and then Remember the pocket here, so I just put it inside. No gluing here, so you can take out the book anytime you like. And then I just do some simple decoration. Now remember, this is the card, right? And then this is the envelope fit here. So it will be a little bit slightly showing, but it doesn't matter. This is the additional cardstock, okay? And the pocket here. And the belly band. We are putting some general cards here. And then another pocket. So this is the additional cardstock. This is the flip. So when I glue this, because the shape is triangle here, so you can either cut it or you can just cover it with this design paper. It will be much easier. Just don't cut this part, okay? So this is very flexible. You can use as a flipboard like this. This is the additional cardstock, and this is the pocket, envelope pocket, this size. I just covered this thing with apart from the Ephemera, okay? So you, and then cover it with design paper here. So you can use this as a pocket. And then this is the card, and that's it. Very easy, very gorgeous, perfect gift for a friend and family. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.